Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone 15 Plus is having widescreen issue and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into this. First one we have to do is we just need to do a forced restart on your iPhone, and that is what we have to do. To do a forced restart, we have to press volume, we have to press like this. Let me do like this. We have to press volume up followed by volume down, and once afterwards you have to press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. Keep on pressing this, and now as you can see, you'll be able to see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you are fine. Now we can see the Apple logo. Now what we need to do is we just need to wait because this has to get completely loaded up. Now, as you can see, the forced restart is done. Just tap over here, give it the passcode and move into this. Most probably, the widescreen issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.